Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday we have started with the kinds of adjectives, right? Adjective is a describing word which describes the subject. Subject means noun in the sentence. Okay. So what adjectives we learned? Kinds of adjectives. There are 5 to 6 kinds of adjectives. First is adjective of quality, which tells about the quality of the thing. Smooth, rough, shiny, bright, etc. Clever. Then adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality tells us about how it is, how the noun is. Then adjective of quantity, second one. Second one, adjective of quantity. Quantity means how much it is. Understand? Then adjective of numeral adjective. Numeral adjective tells us about number. Many, few. Understand? Lot of. Or number 2, 3, 4. There are 36 children in my class. I give you 25 to 30 minutes class. Counting, which we can count. Numeral adjective. Demonstrative adjective, which shows the position of the things. Position of the things. Here, this, that, these, those. This is for singular. These is for plural. That is for singular. Those is for plural. Understand? This and these we used to show the objects. Demonstrating means showing. So demonstrative adjective. We show the objects which are close to us using this and these. I mean, this and these are used to show the objects which are very near to you. That and those are used to show the objects which are far from you, not near. So, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective, then possessive adjective. Possessive adjective tells us about whose the thing is. This is my pen. That is your book. It is his pencil. In this way. These words, my, his, your, its. These words show possessiveness, ownership or belongingness of the things. Okay. Then interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Where did you keep the book? What is your name? When are you meeting your friend? In this way we use it. So, adjective of interrogative adjective is used for asking questions. This all I told you yesterday. Now, next question is, we can use more than one adjective in a single sentence. We can use more than one adjective in a single sentence. Understand? We can use more than one adjective to describe any noun. We can use adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, possessive adjective, all in one sentence also. How this is done is our question. We can, ice cream, you are going to describe ice cream. It is soft, it is sweet, flavorful, understand, bright in color, understand. Cake, quality, you can use spongy, sweet, quality, understand, soft, eggless cake, understand, white in color. I ate 2 pieces of cake. 2 adjective of numeral. In this way, in one sentence, we can use more than one adjective also. Means we can use more than 1, 2, 3, 4 also in a single sentence. We can use more than one adjective to describe a single noun. Understand? Frock, for example. She wore new pink frock on her birthday. She got many useful and nice gifts on her birthday. Many, useful, nice, 3 I used. But when you are using more than one adjective, you have to follow certain order. I mean, when you are using the adjectives in your sentence, when to use adjective of manner, quality, and when to use adjective of quantity, దేని తర్వాత ఏమి రావాలి, ఆర్డర్ అనేది కరెక్ట్. ఫస్ట్ adjective of quality రావాలా, సెకండ్ adjective of quantity, థర్డ్ adjective of numeral, ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి సెంటెన్స్లో అనేది మనం నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. అండర్స్టాండ్? దానికి ఒక టేబుల్ ఇస్తాను, యూ షుడ్ ఫాలో దట్ టేబుల్. So, adjectives, how we can use in our sentences. Okay, first let us do this table so that you can understand how to use it. First, adjective of number. In your sentence, you must get first adjective of number. Then second, you will get quality. Third, you will get size. Fourth, you will get age, if you have in your sentence. Fifth, you will get shape. And sixth, you will get color. And next, seventh, you will get material. Understand? Using this clue, we can do the sentences below. Here, you have got a kind of things. Murli has, first one, Murli has a blue. They are not correct order. Here so many adjectives are used, but they are not used in correct order. Now seeing this, what you have to do is, which should come in which, first stage ravali, second, first place to number ravali, second place to quality ravali. Ala meeru, so in your textbook also they gave the table. Seeing the table, you can use the adjectives. Blue, new bag. In this way. So what are the adjectives here? Blue and new. Understand? So quality should come first. Blue first should come. Then color. ఇక్కడ ఇవన్నీ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి రావాల్సింది తర్వాత. All in the same sentence you don't get. What order to be followed in this sentence is important. Here two adjectives are there. దేని తర్వాత ఏ adjective రావాలి, ఫస్ట్ ఏ adjective రావాలి, సెకండ్ ఏ adjective రావాలి, that is important. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నారు, సెకండ్ ప్లేస్లో బ్లూ ఉంది, కలర్ ఉంది. లాస్ట్ ప్లేస్ క్వాలిటీ ఉంది. లాస్ట్ ప్లేస్లో 6th ప్లేస్లో కలర్ ఉంది. అయితే మనకి ఈ రెండిట్లో ఫస్ట్ ఏది రావాలమ్మా? కలర్ ఫస్ట్ రావాలి, క్వాలిటీ ఫస్ట్ రావాలి. ఎలాంటిది? న్యూ. దెన్ కలర్ షుడ్ కమ్. సో వీ షుడ్ రైట్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ లైక్ దిస్. Murli has a new blue bag. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇక్కడ ఒక టేబుల్ ఇచ్చారు మనకి. ఆర్డర్ ఎలా ఆర్డర్ ఉండాలి మనది సెంటెన్స్లో అనేది. లాస్ట్లో వాట్ వీఆర్ డిస్క్రైబింగ్? నౌన్. దట్ నౌన్ ఈజ్ బ్యాగ్. ఈ బ్యాగ్ ఎలాంటిది? న్యూ బ్లూ బ్యాగ్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ this is the order. Here we don't have any number in this first sentence. We don't have any number. We don't have size. We don't have age. We don't have shape or material. Only 2 adjectives we have, that is blue and new. So what should come first? So ఇవన్నీ అవసరం లేదు. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏది ఫస్ట్ రావాలి, ఏది సెకండ్ రావాలి, అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. Which should come first and which should come next is important. So quality should come first or color should come first? Quality should come first. New. So then color should come. So what happened here? Here they gave color first, then quality. New. So in this way you have to adjust the what to say? Adjectives in the sentence. Second one is bought to Ashima. These are jumbled sentences. Bought to Ashima. Girl's name it is. Bought to Ashima. Lovely. Socks. Yellow woolen. So almost all adjectives are here. So 2 adjective of numeral. Ashima comes the subject, then followed by the verb. You leave it. Next, first here it is adjective of numeral. It is adjective of quality. This is the noun what she brought. Adjective of color, material. So what should come first? Lovely. ఇలా రాసుకుంటే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. Then number should come in first place. Lovely. First number 2. 2 lovely. Color yellow. Then material woolen. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎలా రాయాలి సెంటెన్స్? Ashima bought. So in this order we have to follow. 2 first. Which adjective should come on first place? Adjective of numeral. 2. Then comes quality. Lovely. Lovely. Yellow. Woolen socks. Yes, so first place lo numeral number ravali. Next quality should come. Next, if we don't have anything of this kind, then what we have next to go to that box? Color yellow. Then material woolen. Last should come. So Ashima bought 2 lovely yellow woolen socks. Is the way you have to write. We are going to next. Third one, how to write. I would have given just like that in the notes, but you should know how to use. That's why I am writing on the blackboard. I am even giving the notes also. Third one, round, watch. Watch is the thing, object which is got. Beautiful. Instead of writing in the boxes, I will show you the write on the words which should come first. Beautiful. Mayank. When we are say, then comes big. So what is the subject? Mayank is the subject. So let us take Mayank, followed by verb wears a, and leaving this we should go to the next. What should come next? Beautiful in this sentence. Adjective of quality should be followed by number. No, because number em ivvaledu kabatti adjective of quality. Then second, size is given, big. Okay, here beautiful we kept. Okay, no need of, I don't write here, I am giving the number. First beautiful should come, then second big should come, then shape should come. Third, round. See, beautiful, big, beautiful, second place, size, second, third place. అంటే ఫస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వస్తుంది, తర్వాత బిగ్ వస్తుంది, దెన్ రౌండ్ షేప్. సో అవర్ సెంటెన్స్ గోస్ దిస్. Mayank wears a beautiful big round watch. This is the order we follow. But here in our sentence, round is given first, beautiful is given second, then big is given last. But according to this table, the order should be first comes the quality, then comes the size, then comes the shape. Understand? In this way we should use it. Let us go to the fourth one. Jacket brown, old, Edith subject, name of the boy. Woolen, తర్వాత loves her. So our sentence, Edith loves her, should come first. Edith is the subject. Next verb, her. ఇప్పుడు adjectives. What adjectives are given? Brown, old, woolen. So adjective of quality. How is the jacket? Old. Then color. Second comes color. Last comes material. So Edith loves her old brown woolen jacket. This is the order you must follow. Four are over. Next. Fifth one. 2. So adjective of number. Little. Shape. Okay. Red. Color. Damyasa. This is subject and verb. Birds on the tree. This birds on the tree will come last. The mesh you saw comes in the beginning. 2 little red. 2 is numeral. It should come first. And the size. Then color. Same order we have to take. This is second place. This is third place. So how to write? Damya saw 2 little red birds on the tree. So in this way, in this of course they gave, so 2 should come first, shape should come next, then color should come last. Other quality, size, age is not given. Sixth one, green, small, green, adjective of color. Small, adjective of size. Vinita, subject. Vinita found a box. Object. Square. Shape. So what should come first? Vinita found a, according, starting. Vinita found a green color, small size, square shape. So what should come first? Small size should come first in this order. Then shape should come. second shape should come, and last color should come. So Vinita found a small square green box. This is the way you must write. Seeing the table. Last one in this. Old. Deepak has a next clock. Wooden. In his house. This will come in the last. Wonderful. So how to use now? Has a wonderful quality first comes. Old should come second. Material should come last. So Deepak has a wonderful old wooden clock in his house. Deepak has a wonderful old wooden clock in his house. So, wonderful is adjective of quality, old is age, wooden is material. In this way, we have to take the order of the adjectives in our sentences. First always comes number, second comes quality, third comes size, fourth age, fifth shape, sixth color and seventh material. But all the seven we will not use in our sentences. Whatever we use, their order we must take in a correct way. This is what is our class for today. I am going to give you both written form and this video. Here it is to understand and that is to write. Here we stop. Thank you.